Thanks for stopping by GF Explorers. Today we're doing something totally fun and interesting. We are making a complete pizza with ingredients from 4 of our already produced videos that we have up on YouTube.
We are making a pulled pork barbecue sauce coleslaw pizza. So the 4 recipes are the pizza crust recipe, the Instant Pot pulled pork, the barbecue sauce, and the coleslaw. Many of these you may already have in your refrigerator because you've made them earlier in the week, so you could consider this possibly a second meal from some of those recipes.
So don't go away. We want you to first watch this video all the way through, watch what we do with this pizza. And you could buy all these ingredients in the grocery store, but let's face it, what fun is that? It's really more fun to make them all yourself. So please watch this video all the way through. We'll put the link in the description down below to all of the other videos, and then go back and watch all those videos and make all those components. Come back and make this pizza. You're gonna love it. Let's get started. We're gonna start with our gluten-free pizza shell. In that video, you can see that we make these pizza crusts ahead of time, freeze them, pull them and thaw them out as we need them. It's on my peel with a little bit of cornmeal on the bottom just to kind of create some friction so this thing slides around nice and neat.
And if you don't want to thaw the crust out, you can top this frozen. That will work too. We just decided to thaw this one out.
Yeah, will totally work frozen crust as well. We're gonna start with a base of our homemade barbecue sauce.
Now, obviously, this pizza is going to be gluten-free and dairy-free because we're using a barbecue sauce for a base. We don't have a cream base, and this will have no cheese whatsoever. But I guarantee you, when you bite into this pizza, you are not going to miss that cheese.
You will not miss the cheese, guaranteed. I'm gonna kind of
Oh, the barbecue sauce smells so good.
juice it up pretty good here with the barbecue sauce. You can put your level of barbecue sauce on there. Next, we're gonna do our It's Too Good to Come Out of a Pressure Cooker pulled pork. If you have not made this recipe yet, you'll definitely want to make this recipe. And this is so much more than just a topping for pizza. It makes great street tacos, fajitas, enchiladas.
Or just on its own. I like to put it on a salad.
It's good on top of salads.
And sometimes I'll just be in the mood for pulled pork. I'll get a bowl of pulled pork, put some barbecue sauce on it, even put some coleslaw on top of it, kind of like the pizza, and just eat and enjoy. It's so delicious.
So we're gonna put a nice amount. Not gonna be shy with the pork on here either.
That's a good distribution of pork.
I think so. I think that looks great.
Okay.
And then we're gonna top this off.
There are some red onions in the coleslaw, of which we're going to put as a cold component on the pizza when it comes out of the oven. But we want to add a few more onions. We want to get that cooked onion flavor, and then we're going to have a little bit of raw onion flavor from the coleslaw.
Now we're going to get this into our preheated oven, 400 degrees for about 15 to 18 minutes, depending on how well you want this crust done. And we've got our pizza stone in there. Remember to put your pizza stone in a cold oven and then bring your oven up to temperature, otherwise you risk cracking your pizza stone. Okay, our pizza's out of the oven. I originally said 15 to 18 minutes. This only took 13 minutes and it was done and ready to go.
It was at the level of crispiness, which is a little crispy for me, but really perfect for you, which is fine. I will still eat it. So what I'm going to do, we're going to put some coleslaw and some dill pickles on top. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the pizza first. It's been sitting here cooling for about 3 or 4 minutes.
So why are you cutting the pizza first?
Because I don't want to displace all the coleslaw and the pickles that are going to go on top of it. And depending on the pizza that you make, you may or may not want to cut before you put your cold components on, or you may. It's going to be personal preference. You may decide to put it on and then cut. So I'm just going to put a pretty healthy amount of coleslaw on here. What this is a pulled pork sandwich on a pizza, basically.
And then just to be clear, that coleslaw is cold.
It is cold.
So we have a hot component and a cold component on a pizza.
Yeah, it is coleslaw, but it is cold coleslaw. And then I have some dill pickles that I have sliced up here. This is going to give a nice bite to the pizza and a different flavor. Because whenever you make anything, no matter what it is, you want what you're looking for is a, you know, a depth of flavor. You want a lot of different flavors going on, and so in every bite you're getting some sweet, you're getting some salty, you're getting some sour, you're getting some salt, you know, you're just getting all these flavors. And what do you have in your hand?
Sorry to jump out of frame for a minute there, but I had to get my crushed red peppers.
Okay, well, you're going to put that on your own.
I'm going to put this on my own slice for sure.
Okay, so now it is time to eat. I'm super excited about that. So, here is my slice.
I'm going to grab my slice out of here. And oh, I lost a little bit of my coleslaw.
And what I love about our pizza crust is this is a pretty heavy slice, and it is holding up well.
Yeah.
And if I wanted to fold this pizza, which I like to fold
which
pizza.
Which you can do, and you can see it's holding up there.
It folds really, really well. Yeah, there we go. We're going in. Oh, my stuff. I'm losing my stuff.
Oh, my God.
Oh, my God. There's excuse me. That is a pulled pork sandwich on a pizza. Oh
it is.
God,
it is
so
a pulled pork sandwich pizza. And from the person who can eat cheese and likes cheese on his pizza, this pizza does not need cheese. You do not miss cheese, and it's totally uncalled for in this case.
I think cheese would actually ruin this pizza. I mean, there's no cheese on a pulled pork sandwich. So, I mean, you could, but there really isn't. Oh my God, this is so good. Oh, it's going to be really hard not to eat this entire pizza. Oh my God.
That is amazing.
It is completely amazing. So, let me finish chewing here. Pulled pork pizza, utilizing recipes for the pizza crust, the barbecue sauce, and the coleslaw. No recipe for the pickles. Obviously, you don't need it, but somewhere down the road, we're going to make our own pickles. We're not there yet. So go watch all those videos so you can make this amazing pizza. Again, if you really want to, go to the store, buy some pulled pork, buy some coleslaw, buy some barbecue sauce, make the pizza. Totally acceptable. If you want the greatest flavor you have possibly ever tasted in the pizza, make everything from scratch. But either are acceptable.
And cold components on pizza?
Totally.
Totally rocks.
You may have never heard that before, but definitely put a cold component on
sure.
every pizza. It's going to take it to a level you have not experienced before. So we're going to finish this pizza, so we're going to say goodbye.
So thanks so much for watching. Be sure and like this video, subscribe to our channel, and for sure hit that notification bell to be alerted when we do fun things just like this. And until next time, happy eating.